Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, The Wooden Bowl, from your new Oxford Modern English Book 3. It is a story about a person who was carpenter and his son Manfred and his daughter-in-law Tekla and his grandson Wilhelm. They were living in a small town in Germany, and the old man named Kurt. Manfred was a carpenter and spent all his time in a workshop, which is next to the house. He had learned carpentry from his father, he was a famous carpenter in his days. The young couple, Manfred and Tekla, had a son called Wilhelm. He also helped his father by fetching and carrying things. He learned to clean the tools and to take care of them. जर्मनी के एक छोटे गांव में, एक छोटे शहर में एक फैमिली रहती थी. एक बूढ़ा आदमी था जिसका नेम था कुर्त और उसका एक बेटा था मैनफ्रेड, और वो अपनी बीवी टेक्ला और बच्चे विलहेल्म के साथ रहते थे. मैनफ्रेड जो था वो कारपेंटर था. मैनफ्रेड वॉज अ कारपेंटर. ये एक कारपेंटर था. उसने अपनी ये जो प्रोफेशन था वो अपने फादर से सीखा था. एंड विलहेल्म आल्सो हेल्प्ड हिज फादर. विलहेल्म जो था, उनका जो छोटा बेटा था, वो भी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से ये सीख रहा था और उनकी मदद करता था. द ग्रैंडफादर वॉज वेरी ओल्ड नाउ and getting older every day. He was not very strong. His eyes were dim and he could not see well. Sometimes his hand shook and sometimes he sat in a chair and nodded off. जो कुर्त था, जो बूढ़ा आदमी था, वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से बूढ़ा होता जा रहा था. उसकी उम्र बढ़ती जा रही थी और उसके हाथ कांपते थे. अब चीज़ों को सही नहीं पकड़ सकता था. तो एक शाम, इन द इवनिंग, one day during evening meal, the old man dropped his plate on the floor and it smashed into 100 tiny pieces and food fell all over the place. एक शाम क्या होता है कि ये जो बूढ़ा आदमी होता है वो डिनर कर रहे होते हैं, अपनी फैमिली के साथ डिनर करते हैं, तो उसके हाथ क्योंकि कांपते हैं तो उसके हाथ से प्लेट गिर जाती है, तो वो बहुत छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में हो जाती है. देन Tekla and Manfred began to clean up the floor, but how angry they were. लेकिन जो टेक्ला एंड मैनफ्रेड होते हैं उनको बहुत गुस्सा आता है. वो साफ भी करते हैं लेकिन उनको बहुत गुस्सा भी आता है. आफ्टर दैट इंसिडेंट they bought him. They thought, what should we do? Then they bought him a cheap wooden bowl from the market and gave him his dinner in that. They made the old man sit by himself in the corner. उसके बाद ये इस कुर्त को एक बाउल लेके देते हैं. वो जो वुडन बाउल होता है, लकड़ी का बाउल होता है, वो लकड़ी का बना हुआ होता है बाउल. तो वो उसमें उनको अलग टेबल बना के अपने सामने अलग टेबल सेट करके उनको देते हैं और वो उनको अलग से बिठाते हैं एक घर के कोने में. Then in that corner of the room they ate their food. Then the old man was very sad and he kept quiet and did not complain. Then one evening, when Wilhelm was not found to their parents, they were worried. Tekla and Manfred became worried. Then actually Wilhelm when he saw his grandfather, he became upset and he went to the storeroom. Then Manfred and Tekla were looking him. Then he did not find to them. Then Tekla and Manfred became little worried. They looked out on the street, but Wilhelm was not there. Then they saw a light on in the workshop. They went to look. What they saw, the Wilhelm was making something. Manfred asked from him, "What are you making, son?" He replied, "I am making a wooden bowl for you to eat from when you are old." Boy replied. The parents looked at each other, their eyes filled with tears. After that day, Tekla and Manfred always asked the grandfather to sit with them at the table, and then they became happy. So the moral of the story is always respect, care for and love your elders. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.